If you're experiencing a sore throat, throat irritation, or cough due to a cold, Ricola 8 mg lozenges could provide temporary relief. It works by creating a cooling sensation and increasing saliva in your mouth. Make sure to check the ingredients on the label, as they may have changed, and products with similar names may contain different ingredients for different purposes. As for the daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions on the label. The optimal timing for taking these lozenges is when you start to feel the symptoms of a sore throat, throat irritation, or cough. When using Ricola 8 mg lozenges, make sure to carefully read and follow the directions on the package. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your pharmacist. Simply let the lozenge dissolve slowly in your mouth and swallow the liquid that forms along with your saliva. Avoid chewing or swallowing it whole. These lozenges are typically used every 2 hours as needed. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions if they have recommended this product for you. Do not take more than the recommended dose or use it more frequently or for longer than directed. If you have a severe sore throat lasting more than 2 days, a cough lasting more than 7 days, or any symptoms accompanied by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nausea, or vomiting, it's crucial to contact your doctor right away. Similarly, if your sore throat or cough symptoms persist for more than 7 days, it's best to see your doctor or dentist promptly, as these could be signs of a serious condition. If you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience numbness in your mouth or throat, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Although it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for daily dosage, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. The optimal timing to take this medication may vary, so be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for the best timing for you. Before using Ricola 8 mg lozenges, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to menthol or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's essential to discuss this with your pharmacist. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have breathing problems such as asthma or emphysema, or if you have a cough with a lot of mucus. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid sugar and/or aspartame, it's important to use this product with caution. Consult your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using any medication or supplement. When using Ricola 8 mg lozenges, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect the effectiveness of your medications or increase the risk of serious side effects. It is advisable to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will ensure that you are using Ricola 8 mg lozenges safely and effectively in combination with any other medications you may be taking. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best time to take Ricola 8 mg lozenges and the appropriate daily dosage for your specific needs. If someone has taken too many Ricola 8 mg lozenges and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can contact a provincial poison control center. Remember to take Ricola 8 mg lozenges as directed by your doctor or as directed on the package. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. Ricola 8 mg lozenges are typically taken as needed for throat irritation or cough. It is best to take them at the first sign of throat irritation or cough. If symptoms persist, consult with your doctor for further evaluation. This product is not applicable for use. Ricola 8 mg lozenges are not intended for any specific use. It is important to follow the directions on the package and consult with a healthcare professional for guidance on proper usage. Always read the label and use only as directed. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. When storing Ricola 8 mg lozenges, make sure to keep them at room temperature and away from light and moisture. It's important to store them in a place that is not the bathroom and to keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the lozenges when they are expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to dispose of this product. And always remember to keep medications out of reach of children and pets. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.